Easy Lift Equipment DC-powered drum dumpers are the safe and ergonomic solution for dispensing drums in non-hazardous areas. ED models are available with a variety of clamps that offer either 360-degree side rotation or 180-degree forward rotation as shown in this video. This model features a counterbalanced base frame to provide additional forward reach when required for the customer's project. All Easy Lift Equipment clamps are equipped with a red safety switch that requires operators to activate 2 switches to clamp or unclamp a drum to prevent accidental release of an elevated load. The FCR clamp is designed to handle plastic, fiber, and steel drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter. The clamping jaws are lined with slip-resistant SBR rubber for a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drums. The SBR rubber on the clamp is provided with a tacky finish, which is needed to help ensure a secure grip when handling plastic or fiber drums. The clamp rotates at a controlled speed, enabling easier positioning and accurate dispensing into a tank, mixer, or hopper. Optional small drum adapters are available for gripping drums as small as 14 inches in diameter. A pail adapter is also available specifically for handling 5-gallon pails. All DC-powered units feature an integrated charger which uses a standard 120-volt wall outlet. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet to provide easy access for the operator. This includes switches for lifting or lowering, clamping or unclamping, and forward or backwards rotation of the clamp, as well as the safety switch for safe operation of the clamp function. Darcore ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. Popular additional options available for this model include a small drum adapter, adjustable clamping pressure, and scale systems for dispensing by weight or performing inventory. For food or pharmaceutical applications, drum dumpers are available in an FDA-approved metallic silver powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.